Right, weaving in ends is very straightforward because we've slipped that last stitch on the right side of our work. So if you do this every couple of rows, then you will find it very easy when you finish your project. You haven't got hundreds of ends to weave in. So all we need to do is just go under one side of the V of our slipped stitch, and you can go as far as you want to, even all the way to the corner is quite nice and tidy. If I have a long enough tail, I tend to do that. So all the way up. Yep, I have enough, so that's cool. And go under that brown one. Right, and then just secure it off just with a tighter little stitch there, or a couple, and can then just snip that quite close, and it's all done. So look at that. Obviously I've got to do that one too, but yeah, nice and easy with those slipped edge stitches.